Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. As you can see here, I got a tempered glass for the OnePlus 7T. This tempered glass cost me, I think, $2 or $3 on eBay for two of them. Just some generic brand. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description, but you don't have to spend $25 on a tempered glass. This one seals up pretty nice over the entire display, as you can see. And the fingerprint reader, I didn't even have to set it up again. I spoke too soon. There we go. Yeah, but it's good. I might set it up just because, but looks like my right thumb is a little hesitant. Yeah, so I don't even think I need to set the fingerprint reader up again. It's sealed up pretty nice. It's going to be case friendly. Let's grab a case, by the way. As you can see here, there it is. It's obviously case friendly, and we are good to go, man. I just wanted to show you this little affordable tempered glass that I bought on eBay. It took maybe 3 or 4 days to get here, and it was a couple dollars, man. I took the affordable route first, just like I did with my Pixel 4 XL, just to be sure that I don't have to spend a whole bunch of money on a tempered glass. And you get two of them, so if this one breaks or I buy another OnePlus 7T, I'm good to go. Already got one. And the facial recognition you see is blazing fast. So I don't have to use the fingerprint reader if I don't want to. But the skin is from Pflugerville. I'll try to remember to link the link down below for that one. And I also try to remember to put the link down for the case. And we're going to get out of here because that's wifey calling.